Thank you. No, can I say something? You were born na your mom was already Chris Aquino.
Yes.
Kasi at that point
Tama.
kasi Bim, marami na tayong endorsements.
A lot of blessings.
Yes, and swerte na kasi at that point, pwede na ako mag-demand ng cut-off. Daily napapanood ako. And millions na yung mga kontrata. So, dumating yon na pinanganak ka, everything was there. But nakita mo rin naman na everyday nagtrabaho talaga
Yes,
ako. Even nung nawala yung kontrata sa TV, lumaban pa rin at nagtrabaho.
Yes, Mom.
I hope you can acknowledge na may mga vlog ka ngayon. Dahil nauna naman si Chris na magpunta sa digital. So, it's up to you to make opportunities for yourself. Yun ang gusto ko malaman mo. And also, pinagsisikapan ng lahat.
Oh, yes.
And kung binigyan ka ng Diyos ng talino,
Mm.
hindi yun pinapabayaan.